Hello friends. So today we are going to talk about the definition of company defined under the Companies Act 2013. Now, as per the section 2, subsection 20, the company is defined as a company incorporated under this act or under any previous company law. As you can see over here that it's very difficult for us to actually take out the actual meaning of a company. Because this definition only talks about the incorporation. So going further, we just need to segregate this particular state definition in different parts. So firstly, it says the company means company incorporated. Now this is the term that will be expanded later on. Thereafter it says under this act. So company incorporated under this act means Companies Act 2013 or under any previous company law. So the previous company law before the Companies Act 2013 were the Companies Act 1956, 1913 and 1882. So if there is any company which is incorporated as per the provisions of any of these act, will qualify to be referred as the company. Now, as I said that we're gonna interpret the meaning of this term, which is company incorporated, because the definition seems to be incomplete. So now, firstly, the company means the association of person, and the incorporated means the incorporation. So what is the meaning of association of person, and what do you mean by incorporation? That'll be talked further. So firstly, the association of person can be defined as when two or more persons join in for common purpose or for common action. The common purpose could be anything. So if it's a business company or the commercial company, so it could be to earn profits or to increase their wealth, or it could be a company just to help the society. So that's the association of person means. And thereafter, the incorporation. Now, incorporation is the legal process of forming the artificial entity. So unlike the natural person, the company is formed by incorporation. So it's not born out of the womb, rather it's been formed by way of legal process. Now, after the company has been born, the certificate of incorporation has been given to the company, which includes all the details. So of all the details of the incorporation of the company. So this is what the incorporation means. Now we can just able to comprehend the definition of the company from here. So it says a company is an association of persons incorporated under the provisions of company law, that is Companies Act 2013, 1956, 1913, or 1882. Now, a lot of times there are questions that is it mandatory that the company should be incorporated as per the provision of company law, or there can be any other way to incorporate the company? So the answer to this could be that there aren't any other way to actually bypass the company law. Rather, there are some special powers inherited under the parliament to actually form a company by passing the special act. So, for example, we have the Reserve Bank of India. So, Reserve Bank of India was not incorporated under any of the company law. So, rather, it is formed by passing of a special act, which is known as the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Similarly, the State Bank of India, the leading banking and financial institution, it's again not been formed as per the provisions of any company law. Rather, it has been formed as per the special act, which was passed in the parliament. So, it was State Bank of India Act 1955. And the Life Insurance Corporation of India, again, it's not been formed as per the company's law provisions. Rather, it has been formed as per the Special Act, and the Special Act was the LIC Act 1956. Now, I'll just take an example of the leading retail chain. So it's Marks and Spencer's. Now, it's a company which is incorporated as per the UK's Companies Act provisions. Now, the question could be, can this company be considered as a company in India? So if you're going to just check the again section 2 subsection 20 of the Companies Act 2013, the Marks and Spencer London will not qualify to be known as or referred as the company in India, because it's been incorporated as the UK's Companies Act, not the Indian company law. So but still the Marks and Spencer is operating in India. So now the point is that the Marks and Spencer has actually uh, created their subsidiary in India, which is known as Marks and Spencer Reliance India Limited, and it's been formed as per the provisions of company law of India, and thereafter they can start their operation under the Indian subsidiary. So this is what the company we have talked in detail, and we're gonna talk about the traits of the company in the upcoming video. Thank you so much for being here.